We them boys. White boy.
Jack, what?
Got a new member with us.
Susie.
Susie strapped on the track. Haha. Let go. We them boys to the death of me. Please do not mess with me. Put a break in your life like a comma or apostrophe. Blind bitches just can't see. We them boys, we cannot be beat. White boy make this song a masterpiece. Faster than all you fools who think you passing me. Have a seat, end your life so tragically. Hopefully you'll get the point and back off me. White boy baby, can't you see? I'm the one who they're trying to be. Take your life like I'm a thief. Burning through 1,000 trees. Oh so green, kill this beat. Asthma attack, it cannot breathe. Hate if you want, I'm proud of me. So fuck all you who doubted me.
Hey yo, Cannon, who is that? Hey yo, that's Susie Strap.
Who the fuck is Susie Strap? My name is Susie Strap and I'ma get up in the booth. Oh, you fucking with them boys, man, I hope you're bulletproof. Cause you know if I'ma aim, I'ma spit straight truth. Ask your man, he will confirm, he drink me up like juice. Them boys say Susie Strap, but you could call me Susie Go. Cause Susie go hard and some sluts in a bow. Got bitches running scared, little boys acting shy. Tell them both you wanna see me, you should look up in the sky. You can't touch me, you can't beat me. Wash your glasses, you can't see me, you can't find me. Get behind me, you should take your place in line. I'm with White Boy and Jack Boy, we on a killing spree. Please don't kill yourself, my dude, because that leaves no fun for me. Susie Strap or Susie Go, straight SKD. Susie killing bitches, call me murder first degree.
Yo, the lyrical prophet, no time for the nonsense. I've been going for some days, but still I'm feeling accomplished. Money over everything, I'm still in your profit. And if y'all niggas wanna try me, then I'll dig in your wallet. Explode like a Houston rocket, but I'm ballin' like a Celtic with these nicks in my pockets. Dropping bombs like Saddam Hussein. Hit you with that major pain, they calling me Jerry Springer, cause these hoes screaming my name. Went from rag to riches in a couple of days. I had your shorty in position that she can't even explain. Did I mention I changed the game? I'm in my own lane. Forget the speed limits, red light, I ain't stopping today. I'm so high to come down, I need a 5-hour delay. Your proof, you think you hard? Well, it's doomsday.